Welcome to Technology Trends, where we bring you the latest in smartphone innovation. If you're excited about next-gen foldables, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon. You won't want to miss what Samsung has planned. Finally, no more secrets. The upcoming Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 has been fully revealed, from official launch colors to storage options and even pricing details. Let's break it all down. New product renders show off the Z Fold 7 from every angle. And this time, Samsung is bringing the style. The device will launch in 3 stunning shades: blue shadow, jet black, silver shadow. It also looks drastically thinner than the Fold 6, giving us a more refined and premium feel. Mark your calendars, the official launch of the Galaxy Z Fold 7 is scheduled for July 9, 2025. That's when Samsung will take the stage and reveal everything. Despite rumors of a price increase, trusted sources say pricing will remain the same as the Z Fold 6, $1,899 United States dollars per 1,999 euros for 256 gigabytes. $1,999 United States dollars per 2,199 euros for 512 gigabytes. $2,199 United States dollars per 2,399 euros for 1 terabyte. This makes it a premium offering, but no price hikes, a big relief for fans. Under the hood, the Fold 7 will run on the blazing fast Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 Elite for Galaxy, the same as the Galaxy S25 series. Other upgrades include a larger inner display, reduced crease visibility, and even smoother fold mechanics, meaning better durability and user experience. While Samsung prepares its big reveal, Honor and Vivo are already stepping into the foldables arena. But make no mistake, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 is the foldable to watch in 2025. So what do you think of the Z Fold 7? Do the new colors or reduced crease impress you most? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, I'd love to hear from you. And if you enjoyed this early look, like, share, and subscribe to Technology Trends for more future tech updates. Until next time, stay blessed and peace out.